Welcome back to my channel. It is Julia. If you guys are not already subscribed, what's up? My name is Julia. I post beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos, and I really hope you guys stick around, become a part of the Rain fam. Click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload, and also do not forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing like my flawless face routine for the summer. This is just like my flawless face routine that's still glowy and doesn't look cakey. So this is the routine I do when I really want to look like a little extra. I want my skin to look a little bit more like perfect and glowy and just airbrushed. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this face look, then just keep watching.
Let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in the haze and glow.
Okay, so first and foremost, I just want to kind of talk a little bit because I know that you guys will ask me sometimes to do like a foundation routine, which I'm going to do today. This is going to be more of like my flawless cover foundation routine, especially because my skin is breaking out. I don't know if you guys can see, it's hormonal, but my skin is breaking out, so I just kind of want to like do a really full coverage foundation routine. Now my full coverage may be a lot different from yours. Maybe it's less coverage, maybe it's more coverage, I don't know, but this is just what I do when I want to look like flawless. Or yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys my foundation routine, and then I'm going to skip through and come back to you guys. And yes, so this is going to be like a really in-depth how to get like really flawless skin. Obviously, flawless skin starts with skincare. I'm the biggest skincare advocate. I focus on my skincare so much more now than I used to, and honestly, I'm so thankful that I do that. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, comment down below and let me know, and I'll do one. Right now, my skin is breaking out. As you guys can see, my skin is not perfect, but I'm the biggest advocate for skincare for sure. Priming is kind of controversial because a lot of people don't believe in it, but I personally believe in priming. I know that if I don't use primer, my makeup is not staying on as long. Now, 3 primers that are really good that I'm going to talk to you guys about because they're all drugstore, which is really amazing. Now, okay, I don't really know that I believe in high-end primers because I think they do the same thing as, you know, a drugstore one, kind of the same as like drugstore mascaras. So the first one that I love is the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Coconut Water Primer Stick. Now, I like this primer and I think that it does a good job. I believe in it. I think it's a good primer. It just rolls on the skin. It makes your skin cool. So I really do believe in this primer, and I really do think it's a good primer. Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. It's a hydrate and smooth one. This one's a really good primer as well. Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot Shine Control 12-Hour Primer. So these are all really good drugstore primers. I love them. They're drugstore, they're affordable. I use them all, and to be honest with you, I also use this, which is the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist. So I like to usually start my skin out, which I'm almost out of this, and I'll start my face out by spritzing it. Just like that. The next primer I apply is the Hard Candy Coconut Water Primer. Really red though, because it's gonna get irritated for me rubbing it, but it's okay. And the One Heck of a Blot, because I do want my face to be kind of matte, you know. I just don't want oil to come through and like break up my makeup. Is foundation. Now there are different types of foundations that I love that are really good full coverage. My favorite at the moment is the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundation. This one is amazing. Does stay on your face really long, and it's a pretty good foundation. The next one that I do love is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Pro Matte. This is a really good foundation. I feel like it's really good at staying put on your face, which is good, and a lot of people look for that, especially if they're doing like flawless. There's usually a reason if they're going to an event or, you know, whatever. So this is a really good one. So I think today I'm going to go ahead and use the Super Stay. I think I'm gonna use this one. And I actually spray my beauty blender with fixing spray. If you guys didn't know, I do that. A little tip. With your beauty blender, you really want to tap and bump the product into your skin. You don't want to rub. Sometimes I will if there's like too much product, but you really don't want to like swish it. You want to bump it into your skin. Just like that. And you can see this foundation is really, really, really good, and it's really making most of my my redness disappear and everything, which is amazing.
It's been a while since I've been in this booth, man. It feels good to be home, though. Yeah. Remember I used to record off my S-Boss, talk a freshman here back in the days, yeah. So every day when I wake up, now the first thing I do is go check my plays, because I appreciate every fan, every like, every share.
So now that we have the foundation applied, I look a little crazy, looking a bit crazy, but this is what it looks like on the skin. So you guys can see that it's actually very full coverage and very matte. Take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is a really good concealer, and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and conceal anywhere I feel like I have bags or, you know, any extra discoloration that I don't want to see.
Keep working, and one day I'll get mine. If I stay focused, I stay driven, talk about life while I live it. So I wave the face goodbye, 'cause right now I feel so high. Right now I feel so high.
Hey guys, so I look really crazy right now, but this is something that I don't do every day at all, just because of the fact that it's really extra. But if I want my makeup to stay on long, I put it on this area or any breakouts or my under eyes to really like get the maximum wear and like flawlessness. Okay, so next I'm going to bronze my face. Now this really makes my face look flawless. So I'm going to show you the rest of my face just because it adds in with the foundation, and as you can see, my face is looking pretty dang flawless. Okay, so I just finished bronzer, as you guys can see. So that looks pretty good. Milani Luminoso blush. It's the revamped one, so it looks a little bit more like pinky, but this one gives me like the perfect flush of color that just makes me look not dead, and it just gives me that like really glowy, pretty, perfect like appearance. As you can see, like, look at that. Oh wow, who is she? So I usually like to add a lot of blush because I feel like this is how your face doesn't look fake. I don't know, that's just my opinion. This is kind of where it comes together. I spray my face. I'm today gonna use the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix fixing spray. So this is just the one I'm using today. So this is the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss and Peach Kiss, and you guys know this is my favorite highlighter, like literally ever. It's from the drugstore. Look at this, it's insane. It literally, the reason why I say it makes me feel like airbrushed is because you don't even need to whiten this. Like, you know how some people Facetune their highlight? When I wear this, there is no Facetune, ladies. Like, it is beautifully photographed. And when I do flawless skin, I don't really like to go like too crazy with highlight. I mean, like crazy, but not like too crazy, you know? Alrighty guys, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This completes the flawless face routine. This is like my go-to like summer flawless look. It's just so beautiful and easy and glowy, and I love it.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.